not doing homework is not making you angry. Yes, all my working mom, most of you complain that I get angry because my child is watching mobile or my child is not doing homework, is not responsible, is not doing this, and so many more things. But in this video, I'm going to explain why your child is not the reason for your anger. If you don't know me, hi, I'm Sudeshna Mandal. I'm a mindset coach and healer for working mom. I help working mom to identify their emotional pattern and work on their emotions so that they live their life the way they want to live. So let's discuss. Think about a situation. I think most of you moms, you can relate with this. You come home from your office, you see that everything of your child's playing thing are scattered over here and there, and your child is playing mobile game sitting on the sofa. You have, if you have another child, probably he or she is uh, watching TV or maybe doing something which again you hate seeing them to do. How do you feel that time? If you are feeling angry, some of you may not feel angry, some of you may feel frustrated, some of you may feel failure as a mom. Check the same situation, but how do you feel? This is different as per various mom. So I want, if you're a mom watching this video, type in the chat box how do you feel, because I want each one of you see each other's comment, and you can smile like when you realize that your child is not the trigger, it's your emotional pattern. Because each one of you mom, I'm sure some of you feel anger, some of you feel frustrated, some of you feel guilt of not staying with your kid and helping them on their homework, some of you may feel frustrated, some of you may feel that judging yourself, that oh how bad mom I am, some of you even may feel that why God is doing this to you, this blaming, or maybe some other emotions. Because this is your emotional pattern and this is very deep. It's not because of your child. It's because in your childhood, or maybe 10 years, 5 years, 15 years back, you got these emotions from something, and that you have to remember. So we do deep healing sessions, deep meditation sessions, where you realize that from where you got this pattern. Because until and unless you realize that, and then you release that through healing, through meditation, and then you rewire that with the NLP and other technique, you will keep on feeling the same emotions. Whether your kids will do homework, then you will feel the same emotion for other thing. Probably your husband is not keeping the things properly. Probably your mom-in-law is not helping you in cooking, or probably your maid is not doing the way you want to do. It doesn't matter who is triggering you. It's your emotional pattern. And the moment I realized this, the moment all my community member realized that, it takes 1 to 3 months to change your emotional pattern if you are ready to work on it. So if you are ready to work on it, I will welcome you to be part of my next masterclass. I work with you to make you understand that how important this is to heal your emotions after identifying what is your pattern. So thank you so much. This was a short video to make you understand that from next time when you see your child is not doing homework and you're getting angry, don't blame them. You can tell them, you can even show anger that they are not doing it, but don't get angry. There is a difference between showing anger and getting angry. Because when you get angry, you are creating stress in your body, and that stress is damaging you. Sometimes you say something which then you regret of saying. So every action which you take from this anger, from this frustration, from this negative emotions, whatever is your negative emotional pattern, every action you take, that action also will be negative action. So this is very, very important to identify your pattern, your trigger, learn how to heal it, and rewire your new emotion. If you are ready to go in this pattern, join the mission of be calm and this energetic working mom, so that you need not to choose between your career and your family. You deserve both. Thank you so much for watching and being in this mission. Bye bye.